Hi everyone, I'm Melissa from Rapid Resizer, and this week I'll be using the Picture Stencil Maker to print a Celtic design for a wood burning project. I'll also add color to it with watercolor pencil crayons, so let's get started. Go to Rapid Resizer and click on Picture Stencil Maker. Go to where it says Load Photo and click on Choose File. So I chose this file for my desktop. It's a Celtic design. You can customize your design using these 4 tabs here. Under Adaptive, it looks the same. When I click on Threshold, it gets a lot darker. Under the Thin tab, just the edges are outlined. And the Edges tab is similar but darker. You can also use these sliders, dark to white and sharp to soft, to customize your design further. Because I'll be doing a wood burning and then coloring in the borders, I'm going to choose the Thin Lines tab. That works best for my design. And then click on Customize and Print Full Size. This brings us to the Print Customization page. If you are using the free version of Rapid Resizer and will just be printing your design on one page, then you can just hit Print Now. If you have paid for a Rapid Resizer subscription and will be printing across numerous pages, then you can change the measurements of your design here. The piece of wood that I'll be doing the wood burning on is 12 inches, so I'm going to change it to 10 inches, and it will print across 2 pages. So I'm ready to print. I use birchwood, which is a good choice, along with poplar or basswood. Don't use pine and don't use any wood that has glue or chemicals in it. Use sandpaper to smooth the surface first. If you need to erase pencil lines after you transfer your stencil, use a wet eraser, as a tinted eraser may stain the wood. You need to go very slowly to burn the design, so practice a lot first. If you need to change tips on the wood burner, wait for it to cool down before switching them. Secure the cord and tape down the tool stand so that it won't fall, as the tip is extremely hot, and keep it away from kids and pets. Pull the wood burner towards you along the lines instead of pushing, so you will have more control. Rotate the wood to burn the area closest to you instead of reaching across. As you burn the wood, the tool will lose heat, so give it a minute if it stops working well. Use watercolor pencils, as watercolor paint will flow out of the design along the grain of the wood. Once the pencil color was done, I used a water brush, as it's easier to control the amount of water. If too much water goes on the wood, then dab it with a paper towel right away, or the water will flow out of the design. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching!